Hello, today we will review the spring-powered MPL Walther by Tokyo Marui. Okay, this is a submachine gun, but this is spring-powered only. So it's a single shot by cocking it each time. I'll demonstrate here. You cock it here. You hold and shoot. Okay, let's talk about some features. Here is the safety. This bit here, I'll show you. The gun is unsafe. And to take the safety off, you turn and pull the trigger. There are two more, but that's it. Okay. As you see, I have a strap. Okay. So it's quite useful. And let's talk about the magazine. Here is the magazine release. This piece here. I don't know if you can see it. This bit here, you pull this back. You pull it forwards towards the magazine and it comes out. Okay, this has an interesting way of loading. At the top here is a piece of plastic you need to remove, if it will let me. Okay, there we go. You're presented with this. Basically, this is a funnel. You place it on the top here. You push down a little bit and the pellet should fall. But you need to drag the spring all the way to the bottom, if it will let me. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, oops. Okay. And it's at the bottom locked. And there's a button here. You push it at the end, or to load again, which I'll show you. It's quite weird, this magazine. I'm going to use 0.2 pellets. And it should just... Okay. Right, okay. Sorry, 1 second, it's a bit fiddly. Alright. There's a piece of metal in the way. Okay, there's a bit of metal there. You push it down to let the pellets go. Okay, so let me just do that now. So hold down. There we go. Okay, I'll do a few pellets. Usually this holds about 80 because it has another area, so when you run out you can push the button at the bottom and it should load more pellets. It's quite a weird way. Okay, once you're happy, you remove this, place it back. You get your magazine with this facing forwards and you load in. Okay, and it should go in. Okay, so okay. You pull this back and you're ready to go. So let's see how this goes. As you can see, it's quite easy to use. Okay, once there are no pellets, push the button at the bottom and it loads more. So it's quite an interesting design. Okay, that's it. So it's quite easy and simple to use. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. This gun is really simple and easy and fun to use. I really like the size. Very nice shape as well. And thank you.